someone told you that there was a way that you could uplift your spirits and regain your humor and spontaneity and find a certain kind of healing and wholeness in yourself and reclaim your voice where you weren't self-conscious or censored and regain your intuition and have all kinds of bright, inspiring ideas drop in, and that it could happen anytime you wanted to make that happen, would you be interested? Well, there is such a way, and it's called writing. Now, before you get anxious about this and say, oh my God, no, not writing. That was a horrible experience in my life. I'm not talking about the kind of writing that you had to undergo when you were in school and you had critical teachers who played gotcha with every mistake you made and shamed you and made you feel self-conscious. That's not writing. That's trying to read someone else's mind and give them what they want. But I'm talking about writing. I'm talking about communicating and sharing what's in your heart, what drops into your intuition, what you dream of and what you care about and what you're struggling with, and sorting it out and finding your way back to center. When that is exactly what happens when you do write without censoring, when you write for process, not product, when you're writing to reveal yourself and heal yourself, because as Carl Jung once said, what you don't reveal, you cannot heal. So when you write by just to the most interested person you can possibly imagine, you, and you're willing to share it with others who may have the same interests or life experiences and no one else, then that writing is an empowering and healing experience. When you write to discover who you are, to reclaim parts of you that you've lost, to sort out challenges that you've been through, to find your way to energies that really help you feel connected to the universe. That kind of writing is gorgeous and uplifting and inspiring, and it's entertaining and fun, and it's like an adventure in reclaiming who you are that you didn't even know was missing. So give yourself that kind of writing gift, because it's a gift that keeps on giving. Anyone that you share that kind of writing with who has the same experiences and interests and wants to learn how to get through their own challenges can benefit from this sharing of yours. So write for you, write for others, write because it's for wholeness and it can fulfill a sense of purpose.